What's going on, everybody? It's Joe back with the Menace SI Racing Project, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing my Quik-Latch hood pins. I finally got them installed, and I actually did them myself. I was waiting for a long time because I had to find somebody that was willing to do them, because nobody's really willing to drill through these carbon fiber hoods. They're all kind of afraid to mess with it. But I finally got the courage to go ahead and just do it myself. I started off by figuring out where I wanted to drill the holes in the radiator support. I found like the two rubber pieces that are in the front, and I just removed those and drilled straight under those, and I'll show you in a minute once I get out there and show you. But I drilled those, put the pins in, and then after that it was pretty easy. I did the little toothpaste trick where you put the toothpaste on the two pins and close the hood, and it marks the hood where you need to drill. So I did that, and then I went ahead and drilled a bigger hole in the bottom to where it fit the nut, and then a smaller hole where it would fit just the hood pin, or the hood latch. And then that was it. And then you just bolt in the little hood pin, and pretty much that's it. You can just even it out to where the pin has enough room to reach the latch, and that's it. So it wasn't that hard. It was actually pretty easy. It was a lot easier than I thought it would be, and it really didn't take too long. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. So you would unhook the hood, so, and then here goes the pins here. You would push there. Did push there, unlocks, and then you look inside. Here goes where that little rubber stopper was that I pulled off on each side. Once I pulled those off, drilled the hole. Well, I had to take off the whole cover actually, but where those rubber stoppers was, I went ahead and drilled holes large enough to fit these, and then I put the toothpaste on the tips of those, closed the hood, and then I was able to mark where I needed to drill. And this is where I drilled. I made it large enough to fit that silver nut right there to fasten it on. It's the other side. And then on this side, I just drilled it large enough to fit the bottom of this in there, and that's it. And then you just bolt it on. Pretty easy. It wasn't that hard at all. Marking it was pretty easy. Just using the toothpaste, you know, to mark it. And then it closes really well. Right. That's it. Fastens nice and tight. Yeah, so those are the hood pins. I like them a lot. It fits really good, real snug, really high quality, really nice hood pins. I had the other type of hood pins that you had to cut out this really big hole and then drill these little screws on them, screw them together, and I just returned them because I thought it was just too much to get out of the hood, and just you know, it was kind of dangerous to kind of get all those screws inside, drilled inside the hood too. It would have just been a big mess. So I just returned those, and I got these where all I had to do was drill holes and bolt it on, and I think that was the best way to go. I like them a lot. But if you have any comments, just let me know. Excuse my allergies. I'm not sure if you really noticed that around this time every year I get really bad allergies. So if you see me like sniffling or anything, it's because I have really bad allergies. But thanks for watching this video. I don't know what the next part is going to be. Still thinking about it. But until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.